Alright, so after the installation, you will find that there are actually two ways to write code, right? First one is shell, right? So in shell, basically, you can write the code, one line code like print hello, right? So this way, or you can make a function here, hello, by having a function, you can simply print hello and just call this function. So you see hello, right? This is one way of writing code. Another way is you just have to create a source code. So just go here, file, and then take the new file, right? So write the whole code here. For example, same code definition. So make a create a function. Yeah. Hello. Sorry. Now call this function here. Hello. So to run this, basically you have to come here, and when you run this run module, so you have to save this first. So it's going to be hello.py. Right? You will see that this is representing the output, right? Hello. Basically, output is represented at the shell part, right? So you can now access the same function here from here to. So these are the two things that you must have to know about it. And when you're writing the source code, which is long and lengthy, then you must use this, right? The editor. Or if you're writing simple for testing or purpose or for debugging purpose, then in that case you can use the shell, right? So in next video we will see about the basics of Python. Thanks for watching.